Hey everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. This one is value price, so if you've been looking for something that's not going to bust a bank, that's not huge, not small, it's a smaller mid-size 5-seater hot tub, 76 inches by 76. So not a big boy, but not a small tub either. A nice little family spa. Great tub, manufactured in America by Dr. Wellness in Tennessee. Just a beautiful little tub here. Got a nice looking, great maintenance-free cabinet. Solid white on the shell, which is so clean. This spa is just so clean. Beautiful little tub. You've got a lounger here, a bucket seat, bucket, and buckets, right? So you get 4 or 5 bucket seats and a lounger in this slightly smaller mid-size 76 inches by 76 inch hot tub. Just great. 38 jets, LED light, 8-color LED light, waterfall feature. It's just filtering, heating right now. Let's check it out. Let's turn it on. Here we go. There we go. 38 jets powered by a 4-horsepower pump. So it's a great little spa package with an existing spa cover that's in great shape, a spa cover lifter, and we'll be including a set of spa steps too, chemicals. Just added a new heater for the spa, new pump housing, new cartridge filter. The spa is ready to go with chemical package, warranty, delivery, everything on this beautiful Dr. Wellness hot tub for just $3,100. That's it, just $3,100 gets you this entire package, landed in your backyard, ready for delivery this weekend. So we hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like. Please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel for more great tubs coming soon. And hopefully this will be in your backyard for just $3,100. This is Spa Guy Dave. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the hot water.